80 animals.
Dog.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to 80 Animals. My name is Barbara, and I'll be your teacher. In this class, we'll learn 80 different animals. Do you like animals? I do too. The first animal is a dog. This is a dog. It's so cute. Let's begin by learning words first.
Popular. When many people know a person, that person is popular. The man in the picture is popular, so the girls want him to sign the paper. Who is a popular person in your country? Friendly. If you are friendly, you are nice to people, and you like to be with other people. In the picture, the boys are friendly with each other. Do you think you are friendly? Wag. When a dog moves its tail from side to side, we say the dog wags its tail. In the picture, the puppy wags its tail. We think when a dog wags its tail, it's happy.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Wag. Popular. Friendly.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Do you have a pet? If you do, what pet do you have? Look at the picture. A boy pets an animal's head. The animal is a dog. A dog is the most popular pet. People love dogs, and dogs love people. Dogs are friendly. They like playing with people. Look at the dog's tail. It wags its tail. It means the dog likes the boy. Do you know the word puppy? A baby dog is called a puppy. Why does the dog wag its tail? The dog is angry. The dog likes the boy. What is a baby dog called? Baby. Puppy. What is true? A dog is a popular pet. A dog isn't a friendly animal.
How was your first 80 animals class? Was it fun? I had fun. That's all for now. See you next class. Goodbye.